Hey guys, welcome to Gossip Graphic Design. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the introduction to the icons of PixelLab. This app is called PixelLab app. Okay, this side, all these are the interface. Can you see? This one, can you see? This, can you see? This one. All these are the interface of the icons. Can you see? Of the interface. Can you see? There are so many, so you can choose to use any interface you want. But this is the module to use. Okay, so let's go. Okay, first let me remove this. Okay, I'll start with this alphabet A. This alphabet, this one, this A alphabet. Can you see? Okay, this A alphabet is to bring in your text, is to work on your text, to edit your text. Okay, now let me the text. Let me say, let me use Zara's Kitchen. Okay, okay. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Different ways. Can you see? Okay, this first one here is to work on the text. Maybe you want to change something, you can work on the text. Okay, then this is to delete the text. Can you see? Okay, let's bring it back. This to take it back. Okay, then this to copy the text. This one here, you copy the text into different proportion you want. Can you see? Okay, let's go back. Okay, then these two front and to back, I will explain it more when I'm done with the other icons. Then I'll go back to that front and back. Then this position, can you see, is to shift. Can you see? This left arrow side, this right arrow side, then this up arrow to take it up, this down arrow to bring it down. Can you see? Okay, then this relative position, this one here, need to change the size, so to change the position of it. This can be here, this can be here. Then this one is for middle, this one here, this one is for down, this one to up, this one to middle. Can you see? Okay, let's go. Then this size, this one here, is to increase the size you want or to reduce it in the way you want it. Okay, then this paddling is to make it, see, this one will occur when you are writing so many text. You can paddle them maybe to create more space. Then this to add color to your text. Can you see? Different colors. If it's not this color, can use gradient. Can you see? Different gradient. So many of them. You can even create gradients by yourself. Okay, so let's go to what we have. Then this texture. Now you can see now that there are not much colors in the icon, the PixelLab icon. So you can take a color from your gallery, a color from your storage from your phone. So in this texture now will take you straight to your storage. Then pick a color from there to bring it to your PixelLab. So guys, in this texture, let's go to this texture. Okay. So take us straight to our storage device. Okay. Okay, let's say I have that. Let me use okay, let me use this color. Let me use this one. Okay, can you see? Can you see? So you have the color of the color from your storage. Can you see? Okay. Then this opacity is to reduce the brightness of your text. Also, it's also this opacity is also in color in shape. You have to reduce the brightness of your text, your shape, and all the rest. Okay. Then this to rotate it in the way you want it. Can you see? To rotate. Then this take to the font size you want. Like this is bold. You can use fancy. Can you see size? Can you see style? So depending on any font you want to use, that'll be okay for your design. Can you see? Okay, let's see. Can you see this one? Then this one is for bold. You want to make it in italic form. You want to underline your text. You can make it bold, italic, underline. So if you don't all these things, then you can undo it by this till they wrote with stroke. Can you see? It's now undo. Then this to curve it. This way you want to curve. Can you see? This will add background to your shape. Sorry, to your text. Background color to your text. Can you see? Based on your design. Okay. This one. Okay. This align line spacing and this align spacing and line spacing. I will do it when we are done with the other two icons. Okay. This stroke is to add beauty to your text. Can you see? Yes. This shadow to add another beauty. All these are for those beauty to your text. Can you see? Inner shadow too. This is your text. This emboss is to break your text. Can you see? The way you want it to be. Can you see? Can you see? This 3D text. Can you see? So all these are also add beauty. All these icons here also add beauty to your text. This one is reflection, also to add beauty. To make your text reflect. Can you see? Or also add beauty to your text. Okay, let's go to this icon. We are done with this, let me move this one first. You know? Let's go to this second icon. Now these are stickers. You can bring any sticker that will make your design look colorful. Can you see? Can you see? Different stickers to make design look colorful. Then this one is to import pictures to your from your storage device down to your designing platform. Can you see? Okay, let me say I'm importing this house. Okay, can you see? Can you see? Or let me use another one. Sorry. Let me use okay, let me use this one. Can you see? I'm putting this picture. Can you see? So can you start creating my design? Can you see? Then this to copy the same thing within the text. Okay. Then this front and back. You know, remember as we saw it in text, I said we should hold on when we come to the second icon. I will talk about it. Now, let's sit down first. Then this is to draw. Can you see? You want to make a drawing to suit your design. Then this is for shape. So you can, if you go here, you see more shapes. Sorry. This is a shape icon, this one. Then you go to the shape, you see more that are available. So you can use circle, anyone you want to use. I see. You can reduce it, you can increase it. Can you see? Okay. Okay, now let's work on this icon. Now this, remember this to edit, maybe you want to change something, you can go to edit. Okay. Then this to delete, this to crop, this to copy. We have seen this all this before. Now this front or back. Now let me do something. Let me make a writing. Okay, let's say Zara's kitchen. Okay, let's say this Zara kitchen is here. Then I'll use this circle and cover it. Can you see? Now, this for this circle, I can take the circle back. Zara kitchen will appear. Okay, let me change the color first. So to look. Can you see Zara kitchen will appear? If I bring it front to front, Zara kitchen will go back. If I bring it, take it to the back, Zara kitchen will appear. Can you see? So that is the work of front and back. Then position to position, you've seen all this before. Okay, all this to increase the sizes for color. This also for texture to reduce the opacity, to reduce the brightness. Stoke and all this. We have seen all these things. Erase the color. Now let me work on this one for you. This marks is to cut some maybe a shape you don't want. Let me not give an instance. You want to cut this like this. You want to make this shape to look like this. Guys, depending on how you want it to be. Guys, that's the work of the mat. Okay, let's go to this icon. This is to change the color of the background. Can you see? To change the color of the background, different colors. Change them. Okay. Then this, I'll talk on this one when we are done with our work. Then this image size. Not all flyers and logo have the same size. Most have different sizes. So this is to change the size of the design. Maybe let me say 255 and 1250. Sorry, 1050. Let's not like guys. The size has reduced. So depending on the size you want, you create it. Don't look at that how small it is. Once you want to print it, you see how it will now become big based on your size. This is your crop. Then this is going to bring something from your image, your storage, or this one from your gallery. I want to bring something from your gallery. Let's see this image. Can you see? Back to the interface. Then this your gallery is from your storage device. Okay, let's see this one. Can you see? Making it our interface. It's now our background. It's now our background instead of another color. Using the custom as our background. This also is from our camera. You want to snap from it. Let's go to this icon. This icon is to add beauty to your design. Now this can be okay. Let's go back. Sorry. Okay. Can you see? Can you see? Different to add beauty to your design. Can you see this one? Can you see? Can you see? To add beauty to your design, this is noise. To add different beauty to your design. Can you see? Then this stripe. To also add beauty to your design, different colors. This brightness to increase the brightness. This also talk about brightness of color. Can you see? Just to add beauty. All these icons are for beauty to your designs. Can you see? Okay. Okay, let's go back to that transparent. So when we are done with our design, this transparent work, maybe if you are designing a logo, I'm talking for logo now, not flyer. When you are done with your logo, your flyer can save directly. But when you are designing a logo, you always save as transparent. Transparent means PNG. This PNG meaning that there will be no background color attached to your logo. So you always save as transparent. So you can also export that your logo design to other designs you want to use. Can you see? That is the work of this transparent. Okay, let's go to this other icon. This one is to edit your other text. The first is to edit, the second is to delete. Then this to take back. Can you see? To take back. Then this to increase or to reduce based on how you want it. Then this also to work on your positioning. Maybe when you are typing much, you want it to be on a straight line. It should not be scattered. Use this box to arrange them. Okay. Then this is maybe let me show you something first. Okay, let me type something. Okay, let me do something first so you see something. Okay, let us see something. Okay, let's see something. So let me show you something here. Okay. Now let me add more text. Just add it to the text. Okay. Okay. Let's something like this now. Okay. Let me add something else. Okay, now this icon here, the importance of this icon is to see all your work you have been doing under your design. Now I want to work on this. Okay, let's say I want to work on this now. Maybe I want to take this one up. It might affect this one. So to avoid scattered work, I will lock the Zara. Can you see? And lock this shape. Now I can only work on this one. This Zara cannot move. Then this shape circle. If I lock it also, if I lock the circle shape also, it cannot move. Can you see? It cannot move again. Only this one can move. Now if I lock this one and unlock the circle can move. Zara and this one cannot move. So this one is to also work. This one is for the to show you what you are designing, the things being listed at. Okay, then this one is more about the app. This one you can use from your gallery. Some are shortcuts, some are about the app. Okay, let's say this one. You can background from your gallery. Can you see? Can you see background from your gallery? This one talk on making your this a full screen. Take it back to short screen. This one talk about you can use image from your camera. You can snap direct from camera. This one you can export your image like to save or to share. This one the image size. Can you see? This one to contact the owner of PixLab. This one to learn PixLab. What is about the PixLab icon? Can you see? Then this also to share and to save it. Okay, this one I'm talking about now. This okay. Now when you are done with your design on your platform, please always save as project. This icon here, you save as project. Let me say, let me use Zara 1. Can you see? It will save. Why we save as project first? In case you want to do another work, we want to do a small editing on it. Because if you don't save and just exit on the platform, you come back, you start afresh. So you have to save as project at every time. Then when you're done saving as project, you save as image. That's it. Saving as image. Then it will save directly to your storage. You can go to your storage and just see it. If you want to print, if you are doing banner, you want to print it, you can just go straight and print it from printing shop. Once it's saved, so you can see that's how this icon is. Okay, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.